Boxing is more than just a sport, it's a transformative journey of body and mind. The moment you step into the ring or wrap your hands for the first time, you tap into a powerful blend of discipline, strategy, and raw energy. It's a workout that sculpts muscles, sharpens reflexes, and boosts endurance, but the benefits go far beyond the physical. Boxing challenges you to think on your feet, stay focused under pressure, and channel your inner strength. Whether you're punching for fitness, self-defense, or competition, boxing unleashes confidence, resilience, and a connection to your true potential. Starting boxing brings a wave of physical transformations that extend far beyond the surface. Your cardiovascular health takes center stage as intense workouts build endurance, strengthen your heart, and improve circulation. You'll quickly notice enhanced stamina. Each session challenges you to push harder, hit faster, and last longer. Boxing is a full-body workout that sculpts muscles from head to toe. Your arms, shoulders, and chest develop power and definition from throwing punches, while your core becomes a solid foundation, stabilizing every movement. Footwork drills and dynamic combinations ensure your legs gain strength and agility, making you faster and more explosive. Flexibility and coordination improve as your body adapts to the sport's demands. Repeated combinations refine your reflexes and hand-eye coordination, giving you sharper precision and control. Boxing also burns calories at a high rate, promoting fat loss and revealing lean, toned muscles. Beyond aesthetics, the functional strength gained in boxing enhances everyday movements, from carrying groceries to climbing stairs. The sport fosters an incredible sense of physical confidence. You'll feel lighter, stronger, and more energized. Every punch, step, and sweat-soaked session shapes not just your body but your entire approach to fitness and movement. Boxing is as much a mental workout as a physical one, offering profound benefits for the mind. It sharpens focus and decision-making, requiring you to think strategically while under pressure. The repetitive movements and intense concentration promote mental clarity, acting as a meditative escape from daily stress. Boxing also builds resilience and mental toughness, teaching you to face challenges head-on and persevere through setbacks. Each punch thrown and skill mastered boosts self-confidence, reinforcing a sense of control and achievement. Moreover, the endorphin rush from training elevates your mood, making boxing a powerful tool for stress relief and emotional balance. Boxing is a craft that hones both physical and mental skills, offering unmatched growth in agility, precision, and strategic thinking. You'll master footwork that enhances balance and mobility, giving you the ability to move with speed and control. Timing and rhythm become second nature as you learn to anticipate, react, and strike with precision. Boxing also sharpens hand-eye coordination and reflexes, crucial for landing punches and dodging opponents effectively. Beyond technique, it teaches strategic decision-making, as you analyze opponents and adapt quickly under pressure. Whether for self-defense or competition, boxing instills discipline and sharpens your ability to think on your feet. Boxing is not without its challenges, demanding both physical grit and mental resilience. The initial phases can be tough as your body adapts to intense workouts, often leaving you sore and fatigued. Perfecting techniques like jabs, hooks, and footwork requires patience and practice, making the learning curve steep. Risk of injury, from bruises to sprains, is ever present without proper form or protective gear. Mentally, it tests your focus, as staying sharp under pressure is crucial in both training and sparring. Yet, these challenges are the very essence of boxing. Each obstacle overcome fuels personal growth, determination, and a stronger connection to your inner fighter. Boxing fosters a strong sense of community and transforms your lifestyle in profound ways. Stepping into a gym connects you with a network of passionate individuals who share your goals, offering camaraderie and support. The bond between training partners and coaches creates a motivating environment where everyone pushes each other to excel. Beyond the gym, boxing shapes your daily habits. Nutrition, sleep, and recovery become priorities to optimize performance. The discipline learned in training seeps into other areas of life, promoting focus and resilience. Boxing isn't just a workout, it's a lifestyle that builds strength, fosters belonging, and inspires lasting change. Boxing is for more than a sport, it's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. From building physical strength and endurance to fostering mental resilience and focus, it challenges you to grow in every way. The skills you develop in the ring, like discipline, strategy, and confidence, extend far beyond training sessions, shaping how you approach life's challenges. The supportive community and structured lifestyle create a sense of belonging and purpose, keeping you motivated and inspired. Whether you're boxing for fitness, self-defense, or competition, it leaves you stronger, sharper, and more empowered to face the world with determination and grit. By the way friends, see you soon for more interesting facts.